Hello friends, once again you all are welcome to this channel. So today I am going to tell you that how to draw a elevation of a building design in a very beautiful way. So as you can see in this picture, I have drawn this building elevation of this building plan, this ground floor as well as first floor. So yesterday only I have uploaded one video tutorial according to elevation plan. So in that tutorial I'm gonna show you right now. So this is that tutorial means I had made like this how to draw this type of elevation. So today I'm going to design this building plan means building elevation, so that will be very helpful to you and you can draw any type of or any kind of building in a very good and very efficient way. So for that you need to watch this tutorial completely. So you can see this is also a simple type of building plan only, but I have made this like this. So if you do not have gone through my previous tutorial, so you need to go through that one. But for newcomers, I'm gonna tell you that in a very fastest way that you may definitely learn. Even you can't understand in a very proper way, so you need to go for your my previous tutorial, so that will really helpful to you. So this all I have made for you. So before going to start this tutorial, please like and subscribe to our channel as well as press the bell icon for getting more updates regarding my civil learning rocks channel. So let's just start this tutorial. So you can see this is my building plan, this is ground floor as well as my first floor. So this is west facing plan. So previously it was made, so no need to worry. I will attach this in my description box as a PDF. You may get it and you may download it and you will open, or you can open this tutorial in, sorry, this PDF in DWG file also by converting. If you do not know how to convert PDF into DWG, just go to my channel and just go to the playlist and you may get all of this tutorial, and that tutorial also you may get it. So without wasting a time, just start this tutorial. So I'm gonna tell you in a fastest way because the same tutorial I have uploaded in my previous lecture. So just go for Excel construction line command. And one more thing before going to start this, you may thinking that you can see my cursor, I do not have any ribbons because I have highlighted to do my work in a very good way, means in a full screen way. So if you want to appear, just go for RIBBON. Once you click it, see it appear, but I do not want right now because I need to do work in a very good way, in a very full screen way. So go to here also, you can see my cursor, just click it. Now what you need to do means just go for construction line XL plus B for vertical. Just go to the corner points as I have told you previous class. This is for newcomers. Just look it. If you can't understand, just do comment. I will really help those who is not able to understand this one. But for that you need to watch this tutorial completely. Without watching this tutorial, if you want to learn, that is quite difficult, not for your sake of you, that's for me also. So just you need to go and take the corner points and Windows reference line, just I have taken here. In the same way you need to take it here also. Again go for Excel. So uh, the this is symmetric, right? So this both has been same only, so no need. Sometime first floor has been changed also, so at that time you may have lot of problems you need to face. So for that I'm going to teach you, that will really helpful to you. Now see how, before drawing any drawings in AutoCAD or something else, you need to know how the plans looks if you stand in front of these things. Means this is the front elevation. For that you need to know, while you are walking on the road, you are going for jogging, you need to see and analyze what are the things you can see. Each and every building you need to observe. For that, in that way you can learn. So now go for horizontal reference line, just go for this and just go for offset, sorry, escape, go for offset of 2 feet. You know the plinth height is minimum 2 feet we are going to consider. Now window sill height is 3 feet, right? After that window height is 4 feet. I'm gonna take it here 4, right? So you can see I have did it here. Now after that I need to provide what from plinth. This is the plinth level. from plinth level to slab is 10 feet generally. Then now we need to provide some slab thickness is 5 inches general. So escape it. Now see, this is for first floor as well as my ground floor. Now what you need to do, just click it here right side. Once you click it anywhere of it, sorry, here anywhere it, and just do not do anything, just drag it, drag your mouse without any clicking or pressing any mouse clicks. Now drag it up to here and click it here. Now go for TR once enter, and now again do the same thing. Now you can see extra line has been eliminated. Go for again trim command. We do not want this also. Just see now what I need to do. I need to attach the windows, right? So you can go manually also, but I have downloaded, means for you I have made my plan in a very good way, in a very attractive way, so that I need to provide some of the windows doors which already been made. So I'm going to take it and just I will place it, as you can see my previous video. So you can see I have made it here. So if you want this type of things, you can get it from this. I will attach this in description box. You may get it, definitely I will attach, no need to worry at all. Now what the work, as you can see I am doing so very fast, not very fast, in a pace way only, but as these things already I have been explained. So now go for copy command and just take its corner, this corner, see wherever you want to place your windows. So I need to place my window here, then after here, then after here, right? In the same way, sorry, what is, yes, correct position only. Now in the same way here also, this should be here, and yeah, this should be there. After that this should be here. Skip it. Now you can see the things. After that what we need to do, we need to provide the MD, right? This is the main door. So this is our main door. So just go and select it, CO for copy. Now just copy it, but mind this should be in the first floor, means ground floor only. So you can see its size is quite large, it is not exactly 4 feet. So I'm going to DI. So what we need 4 feet exactly, but it is 4 feet something. So what I need to do, so first of all what you need to do, go for line command and draw one line over here. I have drawn it. Now just go for this selection of this, go for M command. Now select its center point. What is the center? See here the center. In the same way I have drawn the center here also. So the both the centers should match. Is it matching? Yes, this is matching. So now almost the work of this has been completed, right? Now come to the here for first floor, right? So first floor there is some balcony, right? So where the balcony starts, the balcony starts here, XL plus V enter. So here the balconies, here to here the only the balcony is there, right? So what I need to do, I need to go for, so actually this should not be here because the parapet wall of the first floor will be on the ground floor, right? I hope you may get understanding, means you are getting understand. So what I need to do, so go for, just delete this, I have deleted. So now go for XL plus V enter. See where the balcony, in this area balcony is there, right? So just go here and here, skip it. After that this will be our parapet wall. See this balcony and this dotted line is called the parapet wall. So what is the thickness of the parapet wall? I'm gonna take 3 feet. So from here I will take it here 3 feet, right? So after taking the 3 feet, what I need to do means, here there is no any parapet wall, go for trim it. So I have trimmed here also, here also I have trimmed. Now this portion also need to be trimmed, right? So go for TR double enter, just trim this. Now these parts we do not want. So no, actually this is right. Go for again trim. TR double enter. Sometimes space is also working as a enter, right? So just go for it. Now what you need to do means, see here, right? So this part should not be there, and what you need to do, just go for this one, right? Go for trim, double enter, just trim it and just select it, just delete this. In the same way this also delete this. So now what you need to do, before going to trimming this all, see here is also a balcony door, right? So balcony door we need to place it, right? Go for trim, just trim it. If you go to the balcony, so see, total area, total length means total height of the door is 7 feet, but 3 feet has already been the parapet wall. So what I need to neglect, I need to neglect this one, right? So if you want to provide here the parapet wall or in the bottom, so see, in first floor there would not be any type of what, there would not be any type of plinth level or plinth height. So go for trim it, just go and trim this, sorry, TR double enter, just trim this. After trimming, just delete this. See, up to here also you can take your 3 feet of parapet wall. So as you know, this is already been 3 feet. See, right here already been the 3 feet. Now go for the trim command. This is for door, right? So the door should be only of here, this part will be already been disappeared, means it is disappeared due to parapet wall. So in that portion only the door would be there. So I'm going to place it door. If you do not watch this previous video, please do and watch. I'm appealing to you because in that video I have explained everything. See, this is only the 4 feet height of this, because this 3 feet has been already trimmed. So now go for L command, just do it, do it, join. Now just how to move, just select it, go for M command and just select its center point. So for that you need to search it, where would it be, where is the center. So if you can't get the center, just go and one length means L, you need to go for selection of it. Now go for what, go for again L. So where is the middle, see, here is the middle. So now, so here is the middle. For that go for copy, means move I need to do here. So if you do not get the, you will definitely get, because I have already been deleted so that it can't come to the here. So now here this middle and this middle should match, in that way only it comes in the middle one. So you can see this would be my parapet wall. So how long the parapet wall is, so from here XL plus V enter. See, this would be your parapet wall. So here this everything should be deleted or trimmed. See, this has been trimmed, but not only this portion should also be trimmed. This all should be trimmed, because here there is no any type of plinth level, because generally in the first floor due to some non-regarding things were there, in that way only we are using this. So see, now this unwanted part as well as this one, just go and delete it. After that what you need to do, so the main motto of this, I am going to tell you how you design, just delete this. So see, go for again trim command, double enter. After this just go for this, just go for deletion of this. After that what you need to do, just delete this unwanted also, do not keep any unwanted parts. So see, here it already been deleted. So go for again XL plus B and just go to the corner one. Now see this, go for extend command, EX double enter. have got it. Go for trim command, just trim it. Do not need to worry at all. See, this is, isn't it easy? I'm going to tell you these all again because this is for only the newcomers. I have already told you how to do this. This is quite important, man. Just go and delete this. After that, the main thing about to come. So what is that main thing? I'm going to tell you that. Go for XL plus V. Stair headroom, you everybody knows nowadays. Now skip it. After that, go for offset command of 4 feet, 4 feet, enter. Just 4 feet, no, 3 feet. 3 feet is for the parapet wall, and 3 feet is also for the stair headroom. After that, I need to take again 4 feet. I will explain you, no need to worry. Trim it. So this is for the parapet. This all should not come over like this. Now after that, what I need to tell you that, see, this is the parapet wall, nothing to worry, right? But this should not be here. This should not be here. Now just go and delete this. After that, you need to extend somewhat, somehow. So not only here, here also I have already been extended, I think so. So the slab would be extended, that would be quite good. So I don't think so I have extended, so go for 1 feet of extension from both these sides. See here. Now go for extend command, double enter. This also, this also. Now go for trim command, tr double enter. Just do like this. See, this looks very good. Just delete this, just delete this, just delete in the sense trimming. I hope you understand. You do not have any confusion regarding this trim and deletion. So this should not be there. Just go and delete this. This also, just delete this. Now go for double enter. Just trim it, just trim it, just trim it, just trim it. Just do it here. After that, here too, not miss anything. Do not do any misery while you are doing everything in AutoCAD. See, almost the part has been over. So here what I need to tell, here also the extension will be there, offset of 1 feet from both, go for X double enter. Here also I have did it. Now go for trim command, go for trim, just trim it, just go for trim. Just do as you can in a proper way. Any confusions, you do not know how to do, how to operate this, just comment. I will mind this ever and ever forever. So that's the problem. Yes, like this way we need to go. We do not need this also. Just go with this. Just do this. See. After that, you need to go for L command. Now go to extend this. Go for E double enter. Just go to trim double enter. Just do like this. See. Here the parapet wall I have provided, this is up to here, but it's not be here. Go for the line, go to the line command, and just go to here. Your ortho should on, not to off. After that, X double enter. Just do this. After that, go for trimming command, tr double enter. Just trim this. Just trim it. So after that, this should also be trimmed. See, this is my stair headroom, and this is my, I'm going to tell you how it, what is this. Go for L command. So now go to the middle, just draw one middle to middle, go for line again, just take this corner and one corner to another corner, one corner to another corner, line in the middle only, do not forget in the middle, again go for the line, just go to the corner, again just go to the corner. After that we do not need this, go for trim command, go for trim. See, this is the way it comes. Now go for copy command, means move, just drag it, just place it over here, over this here. See, something is right. Once go to Control Z. So here we need not to do anything. We just delete this. After that, go to copy command or move or whatever we need. For move, function key should off. Here, where, here. So we can't see that where is the here. Go to extend command, double enter, just extend it. Now you can see definitely it can be replaced. Go for copy command, go for copy command of M, not an M. See how it looks. TR double enter, just trim it. After that, what you need to do, go for some hatching. So now here I need to provide some designing like in the videos. Delete this. Here also deletion should be there, means trimming. It has been also trimmed. After that, just watch and see. See, this should be, I should I trim it. Here I have trimmed, right? Now go for escape button. Now go for Excel plus H. Now the designing should start. See, I have did it right. Now go for line command again. So draw one line here, here also, up to here only, no need to do. In the same way we need to do here also, where I did, actually I did it in the bottom, I need to do in this top one. So go for the Control Z. So if you do not want to use construction line, then it is okay, you can do it, no need to, it's not a big deal. So what you need to do, here we need to trim this. I have been trimmed. This should be trimmed, right? Now go for trim, double enter. So here I don't think so the slab would show, but if shows then no worry. See, we need to trim it. So it is not selecting just by doing this. We need to delete this. See, here also one trick, eliminate this. See, here thing is, so in the same way here it is, right? Now where I was here, go for line command. See, this is the lintel, so here to here, again a repetition of the command. What should we do? Space bar. In the same way here also, just do patiently, no need to hurry up. See, I have completed with this. Now go for line command. See, I have drawn. Now this is what, this is my center line, so center to here, skip it, go for center. So this is my center to here, go for skip it. Now go for line command, just go to here to here, again go for mirror command also you can use, but this would be better. Go to this kernel, again go to this kernel, now go for here, just do like this way, just trim it. So here also we need to do the same, go for line, see this is the middle. So for this we need to on our ortho, because the snap mode will tell you everything. Go for line command, just do you find, is there any difficulties? I don't think so that you would find any kind of difficulties. This is the things, but you should know previously while you are, if you have lot of building design idea means, then you can draw any kind of building plans. See, I should not delete this, again I am going to do this. So I joined here, I have joined it here, so I am going to tell you the logic behind it. Now go for offset command of 6 inches from both the ends, or you may take 1 feet also. See, here I am going to take 1 feet, offset of 1 feet, let us see how much it is. No, it is good. Go for 1 feet, skip it. After that, what is the logic? You just go and trim this and this. So this I have been trimmed, so here also you need to trim it here. Now go for this and this deletion. See, I have deleted. Right now what is the things we need to do means, I need to do, go for circle or arch, you can go A for arch, just go and click it, how it looks. Now again do the same thing. You can do the copy paste also, that's also very good thing. So let me tell you how to do copy paste. See here, go for copy command, just select its corner point. Now go to this corner point up to here, up to here. What happened with it? So just go to control Z, see here, so that only I need to tell you that. Now just delete it, just select this, go for copy command. Before going to, just go for copy command, before going to your ortho should off, just select this which I have been selected over here. Now go for copy command, just select this kernel to this kernel. So here also I need to delete this all, because do only the smart work, that could be very beneficial to you. If you are busy with doing your own everything you want to create it, that you need to face a lot of problem. So I have come in front of you that you please, what type of mistake I did, how much time I could take, in future you can't take it. See, like this way we have drawn this, right? So after that what you need to do means, you need to do, you need to trim this one, just delete this. After that what you need to do, once you do offset of, so before going to offset, join this one. So select this and this, just go for join command, enter it. Now go for this, go for offset command of 2 inches would be better, that's why, not from the outer side. If you go for the outer, that's also cool. So just join this all. Now I'm going to join first of all this all. So join this, enter, go for offset command of 2 inches. See, towards upward, towards upward, towards the upward, towards the upward. So you have did, I think. Now go for ex command, double enter, just touch it, just touch it. After that just do this, here also do this, we need to do by our own. Do not get any things for your, see, isn't it looks quite beauty, right? After that, here what I need to provide, here there is my stay, right? Go for L command, this, this, go for offset command of 6 inches from top or bottom, that's depend on you, just skip it. After this, go for trim command, just trim it simply, don't think a lot, right? See, now I'm going for hatch command, just I have come with the ribbon, just go for hatch. See what type of hatch I'm gonna use. See, AR, this one, so click it here, here also. See how it looks. I hope you are enjoying with this. So here also, here also, and here also. After that, that's depend on you, I am doing roughly, so while you are practicing this, that's quite helpful for you. So go for 0.5, so it looks quite beautiful. See how it looks quite really beautiful. So go for hatch, go to the hatch command, so go to the solid. Before going, after going to solid, just go for pink. Which color do you like? You select your own, no need to worry at all. I prefer that one, you prefer another one, that's depend on you. So here in the same way, I need to provide in the middle, in this, in this. So here, so do this in the same way here also, here also. No need to worry, I will trim this, you can also trim it. See, our building plan looks quite beautiful according to me. I hope you also feel the same way, and you will be supporting me by clicking and motivate me for the newest, and all of the videos, upcoming videos will be more better than this. I will try and I will study more for you to get lot of knowledge just for you, for the your sake of you. See how it looks. Now one more hatching would be remain, and that is quite makes your plan really beautiful, really great. So what is that? May you guess it if you watch my previous tutorial. If you do not watch, then please go and watch it, because that would be really beneficial for you. So see what I'm going to do. I'm not getting that one. Where is it? So I thought that I may seen it, but no man. Where is this? I can't find it. Yeah, gravel. I find it. I found it. So go to here. In the same way, go to here also. Now you can see it's in pink, right? So I will tell you what is the, go to 12, enter it. See this pink how it looks. Now I need to go for the buy layer. Now your plan has been ready. Now the main thing I need to tell you that I hope you have learned this more thing. After that, go for tool palette, enter it. The main and major thing would be here. Go to the trees metric. Metric means feet and inches. So you may thought that I have told you that tutorial means that design, but this design is quite different. No man, this both are same, but the while I'm working, I may select other way, means other hatching. That's the difference. But that difference doesn't makes you wrong. That makes you very good, because see how I did it. In the same way, go for copy command, just do it as your own, just do like this, just do your coconut tree, palm tree, like this. Your building looks quite better and beautiful. Go for the vehicle interior and just park your vehicle here. See how it looks, isn't it cool? So I really appreciate from my side to you all that you all have the time to watch this tutorial, and I hope that you may have even learned something in this tutorial, and that will be really gonna beneficial to you. So please, you are new to this channel, do comment, do like, do subscribe, and please press the bell icon for getting new video tutorials notification in your YouTube channel, in your YouTube, my YouTube channel notification in your YouTube, right? So regarding AutoCAD, any designing, planning, if you want to draw by me, just take my WhatsApp number, that is +917901097031. Please note it down, and thanks for being the part of us, and thank you for watching this tutorial.